When I analyzed the paper, so like I had this test series which showed after this paper what is the exact time. So first of all, it shows the what category the paper is of, like if it's quants, verbal, or DI, and in that category, from which section of that category that question is from. For example, in quants, if it's from geometry, if it's from arithmetic, and then it showed that whether you did it right or wrong and the time you took in that question. So the first I used to go with all the wrong questions. I did like all the questions I attempted wrong and why I made them wrong and what are the mistakes I made. I used to resolve them, and even and if I could not resolve them, I would like to learn the. I would go back to the concepts and revise the concepts and see if where I'm lagging. And second thing I used to focus is on the timing. Like I said, if you are solving a question in 5 minutes, it's better to leave that question and solve the other three questions in those 5 minutes. So that's the second thing I focus on, the timing and the if I'm doing it in 5 minutes, is there a better way to solve it? Is there any shortcut I can use, or it's wiser to leave this question? That's how you analyze it. So that's what I used to do when I analyze the paper.